Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie, and I've got August or September's, I'm not sure which, Loot Remix. It arrived in September, but I think it's officially August. Don't quote me on that. Here we go. I've gotten two of these before, and they both came in the same day. One for the previous month and one for that month. So this is the third one. So let's see what we got. Yeah, we were going to just open it up and see. There's a figure of some sort here. Okay, it's from Halo. I do not have this. I do not get the Halo crate. Master Chief. Okay. I'll take him out. Why not? Not taped. Okay. I guess he goes in like this. He does not want to go in there. Even still, if you look, his foot's not even in. Oh well, he's standing. And I guess these are supposed to look like shots coming at him, or I don't know. There he is, in all his glory. Master Chief. And I guess here's a diorama. Okay. Let's put that over to the side. Next. Felt like that was it. Here we got a pair of Fraggle Rock socks. Those are pretty cool. And I get loot wear. I just did not get that month, I guess. And a pin. Harry Potter. This must have came out of the Harry Potter box. So far, I've not gotten anything that I've gotten before. It's a ring enamel pin. Ragu Broch Emali. Alright. Put that up with Harry. And I think this is it. We've got the spoiler card. There's not even a spoiler card. And we've got Serenity. Oh, don't be one of those wooden crafted things. It says Serenity. 8 sheets, A5 format. Are they wood or cardboard? Okay, so it's cardboard. Here's one of those wood ones, and out of the balsa wood like this, and it was so hard because there was no coloring, so you couldn't tell what went where, and little pieces would fall out. This is very cool. Okay, and what's this card? Love your loot. Get a new surprise next month. Use the code Remix August 18. Okay, and that is it for the box. Have an interesting collage of items inside. So we got the Serenity Firefly model thing, cardboard model. We got the Fraggle Rock socks. Those are pretty cool. We did get the Harry Potter pin and the Master Chief figure. Not bad. It's all stuff I've not gotten before, so that works. When they start sending me a bunch of duplicates of the same thing, I'll discontinue it. But for now, I think I'll keep it another month. Comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.